Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can prepare your boundary wall layout drawing. So for this purpose I have simple demonstration for you how you can easily uh, make your boundary wall layout in AutoCAD. So let's start it. So first we'll go to the plan view of the boundary wall. Here we have this front side plan. So as you can see that this is the main gate we have, and here you can see that the columns along with the main gate columns, and here we have the other columns. So as you can see that the D-type shape like this, and proper dimensions, you have to put proper dimensions from, as you can see that. And then we'll move forward, front and left side elevation. So you can see this is the main gate. So this is the main gate we have like this. I have 3 columns, as you can see there, for the design purpose. 3 columns here. Proper you can put the column capitals and design, and here we have the light. So you can put the light symbol also on the top of the each column capital. So we have to put the section line here. So I'll cut the section of the boundary wall for detailing. So here we have the proper parapet type design, and here we have also the design. So this one you have to demonstrate the details of your section drawing. Here you can see that the parapet type design at the top and the rest of the other wall. Here you have the graph type designing here also. You can detail A and detail B. So this one A, this one B here. So here we have the right and rear side elevations. So you can see that here we have this line represents, this gap represents the expansion joint. So you have to keep in mind the expansion joint, you have to put that because we have the larger length here for the boundary wall. So here you have the column axis for all columns, and so hopefully you understand the layout drawing of your boundary wall, how you can present and how you can prepare for the layout drawing for a boundary wall and for submissions. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hit the like button and subscribe. Keep sharing. Thank you. Thanks.